For our friends who cannot join us this morning, I want to show you guys something before our math lesson. But before we do that, let's do our Friends in Our Class song because I want us to all recognize each other this morning. So let's get ready. Friends in our class, friends in our class, friends in our class, friends in our class, friends in our class. There's Ari and there's Grant. There's Adeline and there's Alan. There's Nicole and there's Russell. And then there's Estelle. Friends in our class. 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 There's John Yanin. There's Smearty. There's Ryan and there's Carolyn. There's Austin and there's more friends. These are friends in our class. 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 All right, good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to see everyone this morning. Ari, did you have a question, sweet girl?
Tomorrow's my brother's birthday.
You are just full of birthdays. All right. Thank you for sharing that. Now, let's take a look right here. Tomorrow, we will not have skills again. I'm giving you another chance to do iStation, but you can also do this fun fall activity. So, when your mom and dad opens it, do not go to the present mode up here. We don't want to go to that because then you won't be able to do the activities. You're just going to click the pictures that are on the side to do each activity. For example, here is a song. Here's a song. All the leaves are falling down. Orange, yellow, red, and brown, falling softly as they do over me and over you. All the leaves are falling down. Orange, yellow, red, and brown. So you sing that song, and then on the next slide, you can actually move the leaves. All the leaves are falling down, falling down, falling down. All the leaves are falling down, and then you can move them over. Orange, yellow, red, and brown. And I can move my leaves over. Did you see how I did that? And then on the next slide, there is a story that you can click on, and it will play for you. And the next slide, you're matching the number with putting the number underneath the object to say how many. And then on this slide, when we get here, you can, circle the things you saw on the trip. So you go back and you look over here. What are some things that we saw? I see a scarecrow, I see a pumpkin, I see sunflowers, I see an acorn, a squirrel. So then I'm gonna have to remember that and I go over here. Did we see a scarecrow on our trip? Yeah, so I can put a circle around the scarecrow. Did we see a unicorn on our trip? Can I circle the unicorn? No, he wasn't there. What about the squirrel? Yeah, a squirrel was there, so you get to do that. And then, last but not least, you have a puzzle that you can finish. So I just wanted to show that because that's your assignment for tomorrow, and I thought it would be something fun for us to do. Okay. We are going to go back to our slide. Today in math, we are going to be talking about lesson 36. Lesson 36. Lesson 36 says, I can arrange, analyze, and draw sequences of quantities that are one less. Oh my goodness, that had some fancy-nancy words in it. I can arrange, that means move around. Analyze, that means think about it. And draw sequences, that means different things, in numbers that are one less. So, let's get started. Let's take a look at our warm-up. Our warm-up says, show me this number the math way, then show me one less. So, the math way would be 3, and now show me one less. Show me one less. What's that going to be? 1 less than 3. That's going to be 2. Awesome. 3, 1 less is 2. All right, show me 4 the math way. Show me 4 the math way. All right, 1 less than 4. Show me 1 less, but it has to be the math way. Show me 1 less than 4 the math way. Awesome. Come on, John Yin, show me 1 less than 4 the math way. Let's look. 4, 1 less is 3, and that is the math way. Okay, show me 2 the math way. Show me 2 the math way. There is the math way. Show me 1 less. Show me 1 less the math way. Here is 1 less. All right. Show me 5 the math way. Show me 5 the math way. Show me 1 less. Show me 1 less the math way. Let's look 1 less. Very good. Okay, here's our application problem. You can get your math book out, or a whiteboard, or a blank sheet of paper. Miss Cates is going to read the entire math problem. Then I'm going to take it 1 sentence at a time, and I'm going to draw and write. Let's read this problem. Someone mixed up these towers. Draw the towers in order so that each tower in your picture shows 1 less. Write the numbers underneath the towers. Man, that was a lot of steps. I'm going to take it 1 step at a time. So I'm going to read it 1 sentence at a time. Let me look at the first sentence. Elliot, did you have a question, buddy?
What page is it?
Ooh, that's a great question. Can someone help Elliot out? Are we? What page?
171.
171. 171. I'm going to put that up here at the top. 171. All right. Now, let me read the first sentence 1 more time. Someone mixed up these towers. Is that giving me any instructions? Do I do anything? No, it's just letting me know that someone mixed up the towers. Now, draw the towers in order so that each tower in your picture shows 1 less. And I'm going to underline 1 less because that's important. 1 less is very important. So, someone mixed up the towers and now I have to draw them in order. Someone help me out. If I'm showing 1 less, what tower am I going to start with? Raise your hand. What tower am I going to start with? Adeline?
2.
Okay, Adeline says I'm going to start